a des reflets d'argent. La mer, des reflets changeants. So lovely. Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have somebody super special, Kate Hudson here. I'm so excited for you to be on my channel because I think you are probably one of the cutest humans on this planet.
Oh, thank you.
Like, there's something about you, you know? You're just...
I'll take it. I'll
you know,
take that
I love that
compliment.
about
Thank
you.
you.
First off, we're here to talk about this La Mer.
La Mer?
Yes. So how did you come about this collaboration with them and working with La Mer?
It just happens that this is a product that I've used pretty much my whole adult life. It was always my splurge product. I've always loved it. It's just always worked well with my skin.
Yeah.
So to be able to then work with them later in life,
How
you know,
easy.
in my life is
Yeah,
like
that's
awesome.
great. It's like always such a great thing when you get to work with a brand that you already
love.
authentically just love and have used
Of
for
course.
so long.
Of course. I mean, the thing is too, is that, you know, when you discover a product, unless you're like a product junkie, which I guess I am I'm sure you're a product
Yeah,
junkie.
I am.
You know,
I am.
You can't help it, but when you love products, you really like to see if they work.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? What you really want is you want them to have results. But you don't really ever ask yourself what creates the results.
Mm-hmm.
So it was fun working with them, kind of understanding
Everything that
the
goes
technology
into it. Yeah.
of this and how long it takes to actually make the cream, and you realize like, oh, so that's why it has results. There's a lot of love that goes into creating a spectacular product, and now I get to know all about it and talk about it.
You know everything. So what would you say is your must-have from their line?
What we're actually launching is the Cool Gel.
Mm-hmm.
This is the one that is this the Cool Gel? No, that's the Cool Gel.
It's hard to see because the labels are facing that way, so we're just kind of guessing or like...
This is the one that was the newest. When we first started, I got the first lab sample of it, and then I'm always a little weary to put new stuff on my skin because you just never know what's gonna happen.
You never know.
But I started using it, and then I was like really happy with it, and then I kept using it, and I was like, this stuff's amazing.
I like more lighter weight gel. My skin just handles it a lot better, so I'm pretty excited for this one.
It feels good on the skin. I really like it. It's a perfect day cream. I like it in the middle of the day when you actually need a little like refresher, because it does go really well with makeup. You can kind of put a little bit over your makeup and it's not gonna like move the makeup around.
Wait, you put it over your makeup?
Sometimes, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, but I don't wear like...
You probably don't wear a lot of powders or anything, huh?
No, not a lot.
Okay.
Only under my eyes.
That's kind of how I roll too, like really heavy T-zone. I get oily, so I put powders there.
I'm all about creams and dewiness and when I'm not being photographed. To me, the best makeup artists do great skin.
Yeah.
And great skin, you know, it doesn't mean you hide, you know, blemishes, you can hide discoloration, but there still is a way to get texture of skin, even if you have some problematic areas. And when you sit in the makeup chair as much as we do, I mean, I've been in the makeup chair in every possible situation. Fully broken out or sunburned or whatever has been happening.
Like, wait, you break out?
Yeah. Yeah, not as much anymore. What's really worked for me with breakouts is realizing that my skin doesn't like overstimulation, and actually more lasers, infrared. Like I've got these little battery operated things, bacteria killer, you know, things.
Oh, yep.
That's actually, I think, what's changed my skin more.
Good tip, good tips. We're gonna do kind of like a little Q&A portion here. Lipstick or lip gloss?
Lip gloss.
Matte or dewy? You have to pick.
So hard. I'm kind of a matte right now.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
okay.
I love the dewy lip gloss, but it depends because I like dewy skin.
What is your favorite go-to makeup look?
For my face and for my eye color, I do a very light foundation. I always do a highlighter.
Yes. Love me some highlight.
My favorite's actually a Burberry highlighter.
Uh-huh.
I like berry tones. So I use this berry cheek stain and I'll do that on my lips. And then I don't go anywhere without my Chanel bronzer.
Is it like the cream one or?
Yeah.
All right, I had a feeling you used that one.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I just,
And the
a lot of people love that one.
I kind of mix them. But it's actually like the quickest makeup on the planet.
When you make the list of it, you're like, wait, that's a lot of stuff.
It sounds like a lot, but it's
feel
not.
like that much.
No,
Yeah.
I could do it in 5 minutes. I guess the go-to look is like a golds and berries.
Golden hour.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call it golden hour.
Golden hour.
I just named her look. If you could go back to your 16-year-old self, what would be the best advice that you can give yourself?
Oh man, don't date that guy that you dated.
Oh.
When I was younger, was like, I'm never gonna make decisions that I'm going to look back on and wish that I did it differently. I was always aware enough to not do that. When I do look back at some of the styles, I have to say there's a couple that I'm like, wow, that was
interesting,
bold.
huh?
It's the late 90s.
You were probably killing it in that time,
It
though.
was the late 90s. I mean, honestly, I probably wouldn't have cut my hair. I had really, really long hair, and when I was 16, I decided to cut my hair short, but I thought my hair was straight, and my hair was curly.
I did the same thing.
I wanted like a Meg Ryan haircut. I ended up with this short hairdo that was really cute. When I walked out, I was like, oh my God, this is so fun.
And then when you showered, you're like, what is happening?
I have curly hair, but I had much curlier hair than I thought I did because I'd always brushed it.
That exact same thing happened to me.
Really?
I was in first grade. I saw this girl and she had her hair short and I was like, Mom, please cut my hair. I want it to be just like that. And she was like, your hair's not gonna really do that. It's gonna look different. And I was like, I don't care, just do it. And it was like short, and then to top it off, I did like a short bang too.
Oh no.
And it was just, and then the bang never went down. It just parted like in the center and poofed out like right here.
That's so cute.
It wasn't that cute though. Yeah.
And now there's like, you know, the dry bar.
Yeah.
So
well,
like,
I love going there. You can just stop in and.
Yeah, I didn't have that when I was 16. If I had that, I would have saved my $20 and like went right to the dry bar at least once a week.
Are you a morning or a night person?
Morning.
I'm definitely a night person. What's your favorite season?
Summer.
Lastly, what is one hidden talent that people might not know about you?
I'm actually really good with cocktails. For some reason, when I bought my house years ago, the last owner loved kumquats, which I think is kind of a strange tree to have because it's so many kumquats. I was like, what am I gonna do with these kumquats? So I decided I was either gonna make a jam, but then I said, no, you know what? I'm gonna make kumquat cocktails. I'm gonna make a syrup. So I made a syrup and I make a really good kumquat margarita and a champagne cocktail.
She's a kumquat queen over here. All right, well, thank you so much for coming onto my channel, and I'm really excited to try all these new products. I cannot wait.
Nice to
and
meet
I'm
you.
just so happy that I got to hang out with you.
I
I love you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.